SAP Community Voice, March 26, 2026. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the SAP Community Voice. March is moving fast, and we've got plenty of exciting updates to share with you. This edition brings a great mix of innovation and community highlights from SAP Champion and Mentor blog posts to SAP expert recommendations on SAP Build Workzone, and even the launch of a brand new ABAP keyword. In our community news, you'll find details on how to join the second session of Ask Me Anything with SAP Champions, discover the new Hello SAP Community blog series, bringing to light the next generation of SAP professionals, and also get inspired by a new story from our Hobbies series. If you're looking to connect in person, we've got you covered with local meetup recaps and upcoming SAP Inside Track events in Sydney, Australia, and Recife, Brazil. There's a lot to explore, so let's dive in. Starting with featured blog post, and remember all the links to these blog posts are in the description of the video along with anything else I cover. Our first blog post is from SAP champion Mio Yasutake. She published a valuable blog post last week bringing to light the Fiori elements, navigation patterns showcase. There are multiple ways to navigate Fiori elements from one application to another, which can be difficult sometimes to visualize, and how each navigation pattern behaves in the UI. To address this, Mio created a repository that demonstrates many Fiori elements, navigation patterns, along with their actual UI behavior. On her blog post, you will find the link for the sample inside GitHub and her detailed explanation on how navigation is initiated and how data is passed to the target app. The repository allows developers to explore real examples, compare patterns like semantic links and intent-based navigation, and follow a simple guide to choose the right approach for their scenario. In his latest blog post, the SAP UX specialist Leslie Castle shares a set of essential health checks for SAP Build Workzone, the Standard Edition and Joule, helping ensure your setup is fully functional before onboarding issues. The guide walks you through the areas that are key, such as architecture validation, principal propagation, content exposure, identity provisioning, and troubleshooting tools, offering step-by-step checks to confirm that everything is correctly configured. With real examples and clear testing scenarios, this post helps teams quickly identify and resolve issues so they can confidently roll out Joule and start leveraging its full business value from day one. SAP mentor Wouter Lemaire introduces the OData MCP Proxy, an open source configuration-driven server that exposes OData v2 or REST API as MCP Model Context Protocol tools, making them instantly accessible to AI assistants like Claude Cursor or any MCP-compatible client. In his blog post, Wouter will show how this proxy runs seamlessly on SAP BTP, leveraging services like Destination Service and XSUAA for secure, scalable integration. He shows in detail the architecture, the whole configuration file structure, transport modes, and how AI agents can intelligently interact with SAP services. In the end of his post, you will find a list of 5 MCP servers that he's built using the exact pattern for a different SAP service for each. We highly recommend looking into all of his blog posts in this series, plus the links he shared for GitHub. The last blog post highlight was written by SAP expert Kilian Kliger, announcing a brand new top-level ABAP keyword in ABAP CE 2602, designed to fully leverage the power of SAP HANA. The new merge command combines multiple database operations such as insert, update, delete into a single efficient statement. The post explains not only how merge works conceptually and through practical examples, but also the challenges of introducing new keywords in ABAP, including compatibility with existing macros. Due to its ability to join an internal or database table, or a global temporary table for that matter, it can be a very powerful tool in the hands of an ABAP developer. Let's move on to community news. In the past editions, we have mentioned the amazing initiative from the SAP Champions program, the Ask Me Anything series, and today we are happy to let everyone know that the submission of questions for session 2 is open. SAP champion Marietta Lopez is leading the March edition with more than 20 years of experience in SAP transformation programs, SAP S/4HANA implementations, enterprise architecture, governance framework, and digital innovation within the SAP ecosystem. She's done a lot. So, we are more than sure that this can be a great opportunity to get amazing advice from her. To participate, you can either drop your question on the comments section of her latest blog post, or if preferable, she also shared a link to ask anonymously. Everything is in the description of the video below. Don't miss out. March also marks the beginning of our new blog post series, the Hello SAP Community, launched by the SAP Community Advocate, Moshe Naveh. In this initiative, it's a great way to bring out light to the next generation of SAP professionals, creating the space where they can study topics of interest, their vision of the future, how they grow in the era of AI, and much more. The initiative has already started inside the Beginners Corner group at the SAP Community, with students from the Bangalore area. Every week, the participants will post introduction blog posts about themselves that will allow us to get to know them, learn from them, and connect. They will answer preset questions that every participant will also add their own unique touch, insights, and experiences. Are you interested in participating? Make sure that you check out Moshe's post that is linked here below to find the useful links and the preset questions and his contact for more information. And talking about blog series, this week we would like to highlight again an inspiring story from the Hobbies series. SAP community member and engineering student Abhijna shares her journey of teaching and learning alongside young students. Inspired by her grandfather's impact as an educator, 2 years ago she returned to the school where he was a teacher with a desire to give back. What started with small interactions like teaching dance and introducing basic concepts of engineering quickly turned into meaningful moments of curiosity and connection. Through examples and simple explanations, she discovered that even complex topics can spark understanding when approached the right way. Her experience is a reminder that sometimes creating impact isn't about doing something big, but about showing up, sharing knowledge, and becoming a small reason for someone to dream bigger. We highly recommend to check out her full story, and maybe you'll feel inspired to spread your knowledge with more people around you.
Time to talk about SAP community events. March was an incredible month filled with community-driven events happening all around the world, and today we'd like to highlight a few of the amazing recaps that have been shared by our local organizers. So let's start with Joinville, Brazil, where the SAP Inside Track took place on March 14. Event organizer Gislaine has shared a fantastic recap highlighting the great atmosphere at the event and overall hugely successful event as well. Next, let's head over to Casablanca, Morocco, where event organizer Younes Elmir shared some insights of the Joule Effect event held last week at the SAP Casablanca office with a strong focus on AI topics. And one of the standout moments was the exchange between experienced professionals and emerging SAP talents. So a real reflection of community in action. And now, on to Pune, India, where a fantastic community event took place. Event organizer Parineeta has shared how the energy carried beyond the sessions, with attendees actively exchanging ideas and staying engaged throughout the entire event. So big thank you to everyone who contributed and attended these events. Your passion is what really makes this community so special. And now, speaking of opportunities to meet in person, we're excited to announce that the dates for the SAP Inside Track Sydney are officially out. So mark your calendars for Friday, September 4th, 2026. SAP champion Mustafa Bensam has already shared the save the date, and more details are coming soon, including registration, call for speakers, and sponsorship opportunities, so stay tuned. Another exciting event upcoming is the SAP Inside Track Recife, happening on May 23rd. This year is extra special as the local group celebrates 10 years of SAP Inside Track Recife, marking a decade of building more than just a tech event, but really a continuous growth of the SAP ecosystem in Brazil. Registration details and the full agenda will be announced soon, but in the meantime, don't miss your chance to get involved. The call for speakers is open until April 10th. All you need to do is submit your proposal with a topic, a title, and a short abstract. So be sure to check out SAP champion Marssel Vilaca's recent post for all the details and contact information on that one.
That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the SAP community for more updates, stories, and learning opportunities.